absolutely glorious, isn't it? And for the bank holiday weekend.
Yeah, I can't believe it is a bank holiday, really. We're normally telling you it's going to turn into a bit of a wet one by bank holiday Monday, but that's not the case this time round. We have got the fine weather, although there might be just a slight change in temperature by the time we get to around sort of Sunday and into Monday. But I thought this looked rather pretty, depicting the skies out there at the moment. Thank you to Polly, who's captured that today in Mansfield, one of our weather watchers. And as we head now throughout the next few days, this area of high pressure isn't going to move very far at all. But the one thing it does tend to do is give us a northeasterly wind, and that sometimes does have a bit more of an impact across the East Midlands. And the cold front sitting right up there, that's going to drop the temperature a little bit by the time we get to bank holiday Monday. But there'll be a little bit of fair weather cloud developing into this afternoon. But where we've got the sunshine, feeling very pleasant today, the wind remains quite light. The daytime temperature increases to around 20 Celsius. And through this evening and overnight, quite a chilly end to the day as that cloud sort of clears out of the way. Temperatures could be as low as anywhere between sort of 3 or 5 Celsius where we've had the clearer skies for longer. So quite a cold start initially, but that doesn't last very long at this time of year because the sun is quite high. It's certainly giving us a lovely day tomorrow. A little bit of cloud around again through Saturday, a bit more of a breeze picking up at times from the northeast, but it'll be fine through all 3 days. And in fact, tomorrow is the warmest day where we could actually get to 22, maybe even 24 Celsius.
Oh, lovely. That's a proper barbecue bank holiday weekend, Sara, isn't it? Thank you so much. I'll be back with East Midlands today at 6:30. See you then if you can. Bye-bye.